Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300 on your Android device. And basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one is to use a control panel, and right here we have a battery percentages. The second one is to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and check it right here, and also on some phones available to click at the settings icon near to your speaker at the device list and check it right here, but it's not available on my phone. As you can see, I have nothing here. The last option is to use an application. Open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your speaker to the application, you will see it here, and here's battery percentages. There's no numbers here, we have this icon, and right now I have 3 sections. One section equals 20% of battery level, so I have 3 sections here, and this is 60%, and also you can tap at your speaker and check it right here, but there's no section. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!